Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I have a really quick video for how to make this luscious ice cream sundae terrine. You probably wouldn't know it by looking at this view, but this frosty layered dessert made from chocolate sponge cake, swirls of peanut butter fudge, and vanilla ice cream actually came from a major fail I recently had while making a recipe for chocolate Swiss roll cake. What a disaster I made with that, but the great thing is I did finally come out of that mess on my second try with this beautiful result for chocolate peanut butter Swiss roll, courtesy of fragrantvanilla.com. So if you do want to check out how to make this lower and natural sugar chocolate peanut butter Swiss roll, be sure to click the links below. I do have two videos, one with the major fail and then a second video with the success and this fantastic result. But for today, I want to show you that I never let a good fail go to waste. I knew when it happened that I would be making something gorgeous from that pile, and here it is, my version of a tin roof sundae. Comment below if you actually know what a tin roof sundae is. And while you're down there, be sure to click the subscribe button and also give me a like if you would be so kind. Now, of course, since my ingredients happen to be from that major fail, I had to carefully layer what I salvaged into a loaf pan. So unless you also had a major fail recently, you probably most likely will be making your recipes specifically for this terrine, in which case you will need to bake the chocolate sponge cake and then make the peanut butter coconut filling. Again, these recipes are courtesy of fragrantvanilla.com, and you're just going to be layering the sponge cake with that coconut peanut butter fudge and some vanilla ice cream a little bit more neatly than I am doing here, but you get the idea. I'm just sort of pressing my disaster roll into this loaf pan, layered with the ice cream. Now, making an ice cream cake really is simple when you have all of your recipes prepared in advance, in my case, piled up in a sheet pan in advance. And once it is frozen, you could just unmold it and then slice it up. It really is that easy. Add more toppings like melted peanut butter sauce and hot fudge sauce, and of course no ice cream sundae is complete without vegan whipped cream. Chopped peanuts to top it all off, and there is my tin roof sundae. Way better than any tin roof sundae I ever remember. So whether you too had a major disaster like me, or you just want to make this ice cream terrine without all that added drama, just be sure to grab all the recipes at gretchensveganbakery.com, and the rest is history. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will check out what else I have in store for you here on YouTube and on my blog. I've got tons of recipes and information about baking in general, and some more laid-back vlog style videos too. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you feel it is worthy. And until the next one, happy vegan baking. Bye for now. I'm going to do a special giveaway contest for winning my cookbook, and all you have to do is comment below, let me know how long you've been watching me and my channel, and why you like to watch me and my channel. But I will be picking the winner at random, so like the winner isn't really based on your answer or your comment. I'm just going to kind of auto-generate the winner, like throw all your names into a hat. But you do have to comment, you do have to be subscribed to my channel, and you do have to like this video. Just as a thank you to all of you hardcore people who actually enjoy hanging out and sitting with me for 20 minutes a week. Yeah, we'll run it through June 28th. Just comment below, like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you have a chance to win my cookbook.